We're live near Parliament and Gerrard, where for the first time the city has opened up road space exclusively to pedestrians. You can see a number of people already using the extra space to properly practice physical distancing in this lineup outside of No Frills. Now, this initiative has been implemented in cities around the world and even across Canada, but Toronto has been reluctant until now. Scenes like this have been playing out across Toronto since restrictive public health measures were put in place in mid-March. Long lines outside essential businesses, forcing people to walk into live traffic to keep a safe space.
The mayor is asking people to stay 6 feet away from each other on 4 feet sidewalks.
It has become a dangerous way to navigate the roads for both pedestrians and cyclists, a problem that has been remedied in cities as close as Brampton, where temporary bike-only lanes have already been set up. For weeks, advocates have been calling for similar measures to be implemented here, and now the mayor has made the change.
This common sense initiative is one more way the city government is working to protect public health and to stop the spread of COVID-19.
City staff have identified 10 key hotspots to start, where there are lineups or pinch points on sidewalks. No full road closures, but curb lanes on some major arteries are closed, separated from traffic by cones. Primarily they are around essential businesses like grocery stores and pharmacies.
We've seen only 10 on that list so far. There definitely should be more.
In cities like New York, 40 miles of streets are being closed to cars. In Toronto, advocates point out that 10 hotspots don't even add up to 1 mile of extra space for pedestrians.
It's insufficient. Other cities are opening up their sidewalks, citywide, all over the world. And Toronto is opening these small little segments, which is really not enough.
Eventually, the plan is to expand to 100 locations.
So while this is a toe in the water, so to speak, we hope that this will develop into building a safe network.
As advocates look into the weeks and months ahead, when things eventually begin to ramp up, they point out more people apprehensive about taking public transit will be driving.
It's a guaranteed recipe for violent pedestrian death if we get more car traffic in Toronto than there was before.
The city has also put in place temporary parking pickup zones to allow delivery agents and drivers to expedite food and medicine pickup outside essential businesses where parking would have otherwise been restricted.